I'm dying to know what you thought of the show today.
I think it was amazing. First thing I would like to say that the kind of effort these guys put, I think we should all appreciate them as much as we can.
I think it was great. It looked like an international show. It looked like a Paris Fashion Week.
I liked Mehdi. I really did. I liked Mehdi. First time I'm seeing Gulzeb. I thought she's done a good job as well. She seems to be a new person in the field, and I think she's done a good job.
I think it has to be tie. It has to be between Fahad Hussain and Mehdi, because both of them are unique. Both of them has their own great sense of style, and both of them know how to present everything on the ramp.
I think I'm feeling great because Bridal Couture Week का ये third event है और you know इन तीनों events में I've been participating in it, and the people are very nice of this whole event, and you know I feel very, very comfortable, and whenever they just come to me for the shows, I can never say no to them. And I would like to say special thanks to Winnie,
Yes,
and of course 360 channel and Hum TV for this beautiful platform.
मैं ये चाहती थी कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री जो है फैशन इंडस्ट्री वो बढ़े और दुनिया में आगे आए. जितने हमारे अच्छे डिज़ाइनर्स हैं, जितने क्रिएटिव लोग हैं, तो 360 के लिहाज से जो हमारा इतना अच्छा चैनल है, मैं चाहती हूँ कि इतने अच्छे अच्छे प्रोग्राम दुनिया में जाएं. और आप लोगों ने देखा कि मेरी टीम ने कितना काम किया.
I loved the collection of Fahad Hussain. I think his collection was amazing.
Basically, I've been building this collection for 2 years now. It's based on the Rajput families of the British Raj era. So this was called Rajwada. So I wanted the grandeur that the Rajputs lived before the, you know.
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't understand. Fashion is all about drama. And
Absolutely.
even if I'm not doing my avant-garde here, I have to put my elements somewhere.
And
So
Fahad Hussain is all about drama.
it is.
इट्स अ गुड एफर्ट और हमारे पूरे पाकिस्तान का ट्रेंड चेंज हो गया जब से ये ब्राइडल वीक्स हो रहे हैं और जब से ये फैशन वीक्स हो रहे हैं. एंड हम टीवी का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है इसमें. तो दैट्स लाइक यू नो इट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट वी नो नाउ कि पाकिस्तान में किस तरह का फैशन है एग्जैक्टली.
I think it's brilliant. बहुत खूबसूरती से Mr. Hassan Shahriar Yasin ने इसको कोरियोग्राफ किया था.
It's beautiful. It's full of color, full of music, full of life.
आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा गुजरा. टायरिंग था लेकिन it was a lot of fun.
Well, see, I think first of all, it's a very, very good effort. JNS always does really amazing job.
Well, I especially came for Mehdi because he really wanted me to be here, and he's one of my very close friends, and I loved his collection, or especially the showstopper Iman Ali. She's the beauty of our fashion industry and the film industry.
It was excellent, but I like Gulzeb's collection the most. Did you see the Arabic dancer?
Oh my goodness, he was just amazing. He was fantastic. Like all of our like backstage पे हम जो भी लड़कियाँ थी, our like chins were on the floor. You know, that's exactly how he was too good.
Hamada, that was amazing.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
How much time have you learned this dance? Like for how long have you been learning it?
Yes, I learned this one before 9 years. Okay, but just I take 1 year for have practice for this one. After that, I do it. It's okay.
So you've been learning this dance for 9 years?
Yes, for 9 years.
Wow, and this is your first time in Pakistan?
Yes, first time in Lahore in Pakistan. First time.
And how do you find it?
It's okay. It's nice. Very nice. I enjoy it.
Our objective was to create a strong association between bridal fashion and panty. I guess you know that it came across really well.
I think everybody had their own thing. They all have their own individuality, and they were all distinguished. So can't really say much. But I loved walking the ramp specifically this time because of the flower arrangement that was done around the ramp.
Yeah.
That was something new for me. So I haven't really walked on a flowery ramp before.
बहुत अच्छा all over day one बहुत अच्छा था. Of course लाहौर के काफ़ी बेस्ट डिज़ाइनर्स थे, वो भी बहुत हमने enjoy किया. Excellent show.
I think it was all good. I mean, every designer was there, right on the dot, and I could see everything was right there, and especially the atmosphere, the music, the designers, the outfit, the planning, everything was tailor-made.
इतना मुश्किल classical dance आपने किया. Usually आप contemporary dance करेंगे. How did it feel when Pappu Samrat, who's the guy who choreographed it, how does it feel when he approached you for the whole thing?
Actually, Sultana Appa approached me directly for this thing, so it was decided that I'm gonna do something in bridal couture week. बट क्या करूँगी ये नहीं पता था. और ये बहुत देर बाद जाके उन्होंने मुझे बताया जी कि अमीर खुसरो का कलाम है. और मैं सच्ची बात बताऊँ हरा, मैं डर गई थी. मैंने कहा था मेरा ये अंग नहीं है, मतलब अंग है बट मेरा स्टाइल नहीं है. मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं ये कर सकूँगी कि नहीं. बट पप्पू ने कहा नहीं, that's my guarantee that you can do it. So we really raced really hard.
मैंने तो I've seen the second half, but I think जो show stopper था या जो highlight of the show was that guy Hamada, that Egyptian guy. I think he did a great job, fabulous work. The way he danced, I mean, it was unbelievable. You know, जिस तरह के उसके moves थे और जो उसका costume था और जिस तरह जो उसने कर दिखाया, that was fabulous. I think that was the highlight of the show.
Tell us about your show. You had somebody very famous as your showstopper.
Yeah, no, actually, I asked Adnan Siddiqui, who's my showstopper, a dear friend of mine as well. Plus, my very dear friend Nazi. She just happens to be one of my bestest friends. So I asked her a favor to be a showstopper for the evening.
Oh, nice. आपको कैसा लगा to be the winner?
It was really good. It was for the first time I was doing some ramp. Isabelle, I've done some commercials and brand shoots where it was a really good experience for me because Isabelle, I've never done any ramp, no fashion shows, nothing. No,
First
nothing.
time on the ramp.
Yeah, first time.
आप थोड़े nervous
And no, not that much. थोड़ा बहुत तो हल्का फुल्का होता है, लेकिन अभी bridal couture में I was completely normal, completely chill. सब कुछ चलता. It was really good.
All right, everyone. Bridal Couture Week 2011 happening right here in Lahore.
And we had some amazing performances today. Hira, what did you think and who was the best out of all the performances?
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. I liked Fia's performance. मुझे वो जो light का performance था, that was a complete surprise. मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो इस तरह का performance भी होने वाला है.
He came all the way from Egypt to perform in Lahore. Yes,
Wow.
yes. I just interviewed him, and he has been practicing dance for 9 years.
Wow,
Yes.
and it showed really. So that was a favorite moment. Backstage madness was crazy. I'm sure you were a part of it.
Yes.
And,
But it was fun. A long and tiring day, but we're up for the next day tomorrow.
Absolutely. So make sure you guys stay tuned for another star-studded event right here at the biggest fashion and bridal event in Pakistan history.
This is Rahab Daud, and
this is Hira Zareen, and stay tuned to Style 360.